Okay, right back to it. One more box of Leaf Best of Baseball 2017. This is a single box random letters, number 17. Roll the dice here, 1 through 4. If I roll a 5 or 6, I roll again. This is choose the box. 2. Closed it up, huh? Chad couldn't wait. Had to take them Pirates. I feel you, man. Thank you. And for the random, 5 times on the draw. Good luck. 5 times. There we go. Fan of Griffey on the bottom. A-Dub 45-45 up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A-Dub number 1. J period 26 number 22. On the teams, I'm sorry, the letters Y on the bottom and A up top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth and final hit. Cross your fingers. Hold your winners. 5. Letter I up top. E on the bottom. All right, 1 to 1 P. A-Dub I T R. B Bender W. BGP 100S, CWKA 140O, DNH Martin G, Fan of Griffey Y, HVAC Therapy DHV, J period 26 JBE, Lean Keen M and L, Maxi Ho A, Scotchy Black and Red K, Shanti and Juice Man N, S Jock and F, and the Pack Ripper C. Good luck. Has been lost to the South Super. It's true. King Griffey Jr. There you go. Autofocus blows goats. DNH Martin, letter G. Roy Campanella, 1956, and a PSA 5. Letter C is the Pack Ripper. Very nice. It says Grayback, Roy Campanella Grayback. Yeah. There you go, guys. That's it. Congratulations, Alex. And we'll have 2 more boxes of this at the store tomorrow. I'll start with 2 vintage cards on a 2 box today. Ozzie Smith rookie card and the Roy Campanella 56. All right. Until next time, peace.